OpenClaw just put your self-hosted AI agents in your pocket. There are now native apps for iPhone and Android that connect straight to a gateway you run yourself, over your own network, with no cloud in the middle. From your phone, you can manage agents, fire off tasks, and even hand your agents your camera and location. But the part that actually matters is what these apps refuse to do, and I'll get to that in a minute. First, let's see your phone become a node in your own private AI mesh. If you're new to it, OpenClaw is an open-source platform for AI agents that actually do things, and it's built around a gateway you host yourself. Until now, that gateway lived on your desktop or server, and your phone was just a spectator. As of this release, there are native companion apps on the Apple App Store and Google Play, both free. They don't run the AI on your phone, and they don't run it in someone's cloud. Instead, your phone becomes a node that connects to your gateway over a WebSocket, on your own LAN or your private tailnet. Think of it less like a remote control, and more like adding a new limb to a system you already own. Same agents, same control, now in your hand. So what can you actually do from the app? Everything you'd want to do at your desk. You manage your agents, switch between channels and sessions, kick off tasks, and read and send replies, all from a clean chat tab that defaults to your main session. There's also a canvas that renders real web UI served straight from your gateway, so agents can show you a dashboard, a form, or a result, not just text. It's the full control surface for your agent fleet, shrunk down to a phone screen, but without cutting the features that make it useful. Getting your phone connected is refreshingly old school. You start the gateway on your own machine, the app finds it on your network, and you approve the device from the gateway itself. Nothing is registered with a third party. The trust lives entirely between your phone and your hardware. Watch how short the setup actually is. Start the gateway, list the pending request, and approve it. That's the whole handshake, and from that moment your phone is a trusted node speaking WebSocket to your gateway. Under the hood, discovery is local first. The gateway advertises itself over Bonjour and MDNS, the app finds it on the same LAN, and they speak plain WebSocket. If you want to reach your gateway from outside the house, OpenClaw leans on Tailscale. Your phone joins your private tailnet and connects over an encrypted WSS link, so clear text never touches the public internet. And if discovery doesn't fit your setup, you can just type in the host and port by hand. Local by default, private when remote. That's the whole networking philosophy. Here's where it gets genuinely powerful. Because the app is a node, your agents can reach the things only a phone has. On both platforms, that means camera capture, location, screen snapshots, and notifications, plus voice, a push-to-talk mic, and a continuous talk mode that uses your phone's native speech recognition and routes the reply back through your gateway's text-to-speech. Android goes even further, exposing app listings, contacts, calendar, call logs, SMS, and motion sensors like the pedometer. Picture an agent that reads a receipt through your camera, drops the total into a spreadsheet, and texts you the result. Your agent can finally see what you see and act where you are, which is exactly why the permission model around it has to be airtight. Now the thing I teased at the start, most AI apps that touch your camera and contacts also phone home. OpenClaw's design does the opposite. There's no data collection, full stop. Connections are LAN only by default, so nothing leaves your network unless you deliberately set up a secure remote link. And every capability is opt-in. Commands are explicitly allow listed. Notification forwarding runs on allow and deny package lists, with quiet hours and rate limits. And auto-approving new devices is off unless you scope it to a specific address range. The agent only gets what you hand it, on purpose. And the moment you change your mind, you revoke it from the gateway, and the node loses that power instantly. Strip it down, and the pitch is simple. 2 native platforms, iPhone and Android. 1 gateway that you own and run on macOS, Linux, or Windows. 0 bytes of telemetry collected. And 1 default port, 18789, that your phone talks to over WebSocket. It's a small, sharp surface area, and that's the point. Fewer moving parts, fewer places your data could leak, and nothing that depends on a company staying online for your agents to keep working. On Android, you grab it from Google Play. It's listed as the OpenClaw app under AI OpenClaw.app. Install it, open the Connect tab, drop in a setup code, or let it discover your gateway over the network, and approve the device back on your machine. From there, the Android build gives you that deeper native integration, notifications, contacts, calendar, and talk mode with continuous listening, so it can act as a genuine always-with-you agent node, not just a remote control. Step back and you can see what OpenClaw is really arguing. The industry default is that capable AI means renting someone else's cloud and trusting them with your data. These apps make the opposite bet, that the most capable agent is the one that runs on hardware you control, sees only what you allow, and never reports back. For a self-hosted crowd that's been waiting for a serious mobile story, this is it. On the Apple side, the app is on the App Store as OpenClaw, AI that does things. The iOS build focuses on Canvas, camera, location, screen snapshots, and voice wake. And official builds route push notifications through a relay so your gateway never has to hold Apple's production push keys. The setup mirrors Android. Run your gateway, let the app discover it on your LAN or tailnet, approve the device, and you're live. Here's the documentation that walks through every capability and command. If you want to try it tonight, the path is short. Install the OpenClaw gateway on your main machine and start it. Grab the app from the App Store or Google Play. Pair and approve your phone from the gateway. Then turn on exactly the capabilities you want, and nothing you don't. 15 minutes, no account, no cloud, and your phone is a fully fledged node in your own agent network. That's OpenClaw Mobile, your self-hosted AI agents running on a gateway you own, controlled from a phone that collects nothing and stays on your network by default. Both apps are free on the App Store and Google Play right now. If this was useful, subscribe to Prism Labs for more self-hosted AI breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.